What can AI actually do for me?
I almost didn't record this video today. Not because I didn't have time, but because recording a 2-minute video was taking me over an hour. And the crazy part, the recording itself only takes about 5 minutes. Everything before I hit record was taking the other 55. And after a while, it was just taking the wind right out of my sails. I found myself looking for reasons not to record. Then, when I decided I needed a better process, I opened ChatGPT and we walked through everything step by step. I didn't ask it, what tools can I buy? Instead, I explained what I was trying to accomplish. I explained everything that was frustrating me. And as we talked through it, the first thing we uncovered was my phone mount. Every time I mounted my phone, I was fighting with it. It made framing harder than it needed to be. And every little adjustment added more time. Next issue, my teleprompter. I had my phone on a tripod and my MacBook balancing on a stack of books, or sometimes a wobbly vase. Whatever I could find to get it high enough so it looked like I was looking right at the camera and not reading. It worked, but it wasn't portable. And it definitely wasn't something I could set up in a few minutes. Then another barrier showed up. Every time I finished recording, I still had to transfer the video from my phone to my MacBook before I could even start editing. Another step, another delay, another reason not to record. So instead of trying the entire process faster, I asked AI, how can I make the process better? Once we identified the barriers, the solutions became obvious. AI helped me find a MagSafe phone mount for my tripod that fits into the way I work. A portable stand turned my MacBook into the perfect teleprompter, and now I record my videos directly on my MacBook while using my iPhone as the camera. No transferring files, no waiting, just record and edit. AI helped me decide what I actually needed and what I could skip. It found the stores that had everything in stock that day, told me when they opened, and even planned the fastest route so I wasn't driving all over New Orleans. By the end of the morning, I hadn't just improved my recording setup, I'd removed the barriers that were keeping me from creating. My setup went from taking over an hour to just under 5 minutes. I didn't need AI to create my videos. I needed AI to help remove the barriers that were keeping me from recording them in the first place. I'm Robert, founder of Pelican Intelligence, built in New Orleans by a special operations veteran. Our mission is simple: help you get your time back with AI. I'll see you next time.